Bonke abadlali abangamashumi amabili nesithupha bebafana bafana sebehlanganyele enkanjini ukuzolungiselela umdlalo wabo omqoka neGhana kusasa ebusuku. Umolefi Ntseki ubebuze abadlali abayishagalolunye abazinze phesheya ngeshwa ke bahlanu kuphela abaphumelele ukuza eNingizimu Afrika ngenxa yemigomo eqinile yeCovid-19. Abadlali ke abayibamba isiswini uDean Ferman, uBongani Zungu, uThulani Sirero kanye noKigen Dolly bonke ke ngeke baphumelele kuba ingxenye yeqembu. Ukhoxa kwalabadlali kuphoqe uNtseki ukuthi avale izikhala zabo ngabadlali abasemaqenjini alapha ekhaya.
Because of a FIFA circular that says players clubs have got the right to refuse the release of players. Even if the club agrees to release the players also have got the right to refuse to come to the national team. And I think this is very sad story for Africa, for us as South Africa.
Ntseki uthi bazothembela ebadlalini abanolwazi okwabalekelela ukuzibekela indawo kwe-AFCON ka-2019 e-Egypt. Ibafana yanqoba iLibya emidlalweni wayo wokugcina esigabeni samaqoqo okuhlungela i-AFCON, kepha ke njengoba besele nemidlalo emibili umqeqeshi uthi akufanele bayekelele kuze kube umzuzu wokugcina.
We played a draw against Libya in South Africa. Going out to Libya, we were very much positive and very confident to say we get a draw, we get a win, we'll go through to Egypt. And in Egypt, when we were to play in the last 16 against the host country, Egypt, one would say South Africans, our backs were against the wall, and I think we did well. And I think the experience of having gone through those challenges, it will come out very important for us.
We are excited and we're looking forward to the opportunity. We feel we can qualify for AFCON twice in a row, and we believe that will be massive for us, and we want to take this opportunity.
Ibafana bafana izimisele ngokubuya namaphuzu agcwele kuyona yombili imidlalo yayo esele kweyamaqoqo, kanti ke izobhekisa amabombo eSudan ngesonto emidlalweni wokugcina kulo mdlalo okuvumeleke izihlwele ezicela inkulungwaneni.